Baik, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidina anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain amma ba'du. Di sini saya M. Isa Gifari dan rekan saya Alifia Lailatur akan menjelaskan tentang introduction. Conversation self-introduction yang akan dibacakan oleh Alifia.
Ya, di sini saya akan mempresentasikan conversation as self-introduction. Di sini ada Nadia dan Randi. Hello, my name is Nadia. Welcome to our university. Randi, hi, I'm Randi. Nadia, nice to meet you. Randi, nice to meet you too. Nadia, where are you from? Randi, I'm from Singapore. How about you? Nadia, I'm from France. Randi, is this your first time in London? Nadia, no, I have been living in London for about 3 years now. Randi, I see. Have you been studying here for all the time? Nadia, yes, this is my third year here. I have got 1 more year to go. Randi, what are you studying? Nadia, I'm studying English literature. I want to be linguist. How about you? Randi, sounds cool. I want to be school teacher. Nadia, that's great. Randi, I have always want to study abroad, so I came to London. Nadia, nice. Yeah, I love it here. I'm actually planning to live here even after I graduate. Randy, perfect. You are already from Europe, so it shouldn't be that difficult for you. Nadia, yeah, I will just need to convince my parents. What about you? Randy, I love London, but I'm just here for school. I will need to go back once I graduate anyway. Nadia, I see. Well, good luck to you. I have to go to class now. It was nice talking with you, Randy. Thank you, you too, and have a good class. Nadia, goodbye. Jadi di percakapan ini, mereka berkenalan dan dalam satu universitas di London. Si Randinya dari Singapura dan Nadianya dari Perancis. Mereka bersama-sama sedang belajar di London. Randinya itu ingin menjadi guru sekolah dan Nadianya ingin menjadi ahli bahasa Inggris dan dia ingin menjadi apa sih itu namanya? Sastra Inggris, ingin menjadi ahli bahasa Inggris. Lanjut ke conversation self paper. Conversation introducing people. There is Mr. Bobby, Miss Alisa, and John. Mr. Bobby, good morning, Miss Alisa. Miss Alisa, hello, good morning, Mr. Bobby, how are you? Mr. Bobby, I'm fine, thank you. And you, Miss Alisa? I'm very well, thanks. Anyway, this is my husband, John. John, this Mr. Bobby, my English teacher. Mr. Bobby, pleased to meet you. John, pleased to meet you too. Are you Germanian, Mr. Bobby? Mr. Bobby, yes, it's Germany. From Dresden, where do you from? John, I'm from London and now live in Japan for working. Miss Alicia, sorry, Mr. Bobby, it's time for us to go. It was nice to see you. Mr. Bobby, okay, no problem. Nice to see you too. Goodbye, Miss Alicia. Yes, goodbye. Di sini mereka bertemu Mr. Bobby itu adalah gurunya Miss Alicia dan Miss Alicia itu memperkenalkan suaminya kepada Mr. Bobby. Next slide. There is alphabet and the reading alphabet A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z and the reading is A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Next slide. There is exercise. The first exercise, practice the conversation with a partner use your own names. A, what's your name? My name is Alivia Layatur. How do you spell Alivia? A-L-I-V-I-A. Thank you. And can you spell your last name? L-A-I-L-A-T-U-R. The exercise 2, take turn introducing a partner to others. Use the following expression. There is Alia, Randy, and Ali. Hi Randy, this is my friend Ali. He is come from UK. Randy, oh yeah, hi Ali, nice to meet you. Ali, nice to know you Ali, let's be my friend too. Randy, of course, yes Ali. By the way Alia, what is your last name? Alia, my last name is Savira. Randy, how do you spell it Alia? Alia, the answer is S-H-A-F-I-R-A. Jadi di sini mereka berkenalan dan spelling tuh mengeja. Next slide. This there is grouping vocabulary. Is, Ian, and others. Kayak Cina itu kalau ditambahin S dibacanya jadi Chinese, like is Japanese, Lebanese, Maltese, and the other. Kalau is itu kayak English, Finnish, Irish. Kalau untuk untuk country. Terus kalau misalkan Ian, An, and N, di situ juga ada Afgan. Jadi dibacanya ada Afghanistan, tapi dibacanya Afgan. Algeria dibacanya Algerian. Australia dibacanya Australian. Belgium dibacanya Belgian. Indonesia dibacanya Indonesian. Terus ada yang kayak French. Itu kan French itu Prancis ya. Jadi dibacanya French. Ada Greece, tapi dibacanya Great. Next slide. Iya di sini apa tuh namanya kayak biodata diri gitu. Jadi reading. Hi everyone, I'm Irsan Maulana. You can call me Irsan. I'm from Surabaya, but currently stay in my uncle's house, which is in Malang. I was born in Tanjung Perak, Surabaya on 27th of July, 1998. Now I'm working in consulting tools and infrastructure. This is my first time to have such a meeting with a new friend. I joined this basketball club because I love basketball and I play basketball since I was in elementary school. I'm quite shy, but I hope we can get along well. That's all about myself. Thank you for paying attention. Terus ada juga yang ceweknya biodata kayak gitu deh. Hello guys, my name is Alivia Laylatur. People usually call me Via or Alivia. I'm 21 years old and I was born in Madura on 20th of December 2000. Now I live in Jakarta City since I was a child, and now I study in Asia Islamic University. I love reading novel, and my favorite novel is Teralai. I'm also into writing fiction, and sometimes I submit my writing to some writing competition. Since I have those kind of hobbies, my dream is to be an author. I hope someday I can publish my own novel and entertain many reader. That's all about me. Thank you. Jadi yang pertama itu, Irsan itu, dia tinggal di Surabaya, tapi dia tinggal di rumah omnya yang ada di Malang. Dia itu lahir di Tanjung Perak yang ada di Surabaya, di kota Surabaya pada tanggal 27 Juli tahun 1998. Dan sekarang dia kerja di konsultan sarana dan prasarana. Itu pertama kalinya dia ketemu teman baru untuk bergabung dengan klub basketball karena dia sangat menyukai basketball. Basketball tuh bola basket dan dia bermain bola basket itu dari dia SD. I'm quite shy, tapi dia malu. Dia tuh orangnya pemalu, tapi dia berharap untuk bisa gabung bersama teman-temannya. Itu sedikit biodata diri dari dia. Kalau yang satunya lagi, itu Alivia Lailatur. Biasanya orang manggil dia Via, kalau nggak Alivia. Dia umurnya 21 tahun dan dia lahir di Madura pada tanggal 20 Desember 2000. Dia sekarang tinggal di Jakarta dari dia kecil dan sekarang dia belajar di Universitas Islam Asy-Syafi'iyah. Dia suka membaca novel dan hobinya dia membaca novel terelai. Dan kadang juga dia suka nulis nulis cerita fiksi buat ikut kompetisi. Sejak dia mempunyai hobi membaca, dia jadinya bercita-cita untuk jadi author dan dia berharap suatu nanti dia bisa nge-publish novelnya dia sendiri dan banyak penggemarnya. Itu cerita sedikit tentang Alivia ini. And next slide. Vocabulary in focus. There is noun, verb in, adjective, frequency of time. Noun itu ada subway, suburb, history, and politics. Kalau verb in itu kata kerja yang ditambahin in, kayak playing, listening, fishing, and discussing. Adjective itu single, married, interested. Frequency of time ada 5 day a week, Monday to Friday. And there's grammar focus, positive, negative, question, and short answer. Di situ positifnya ada I'm, you were, he, she, it. Negatifnya itu kayak I'm not, you weren't, he atau isn't. Question, I'm, are you, atau are they, atau are we. Kalau question buat he, she, it-nya itu pakai is he or is she or is it. Kalau short answer-nya itu untuk menjawab pertanyaan, maka dia akan membalas yes I am or no I'm not or yes you were, yes you are we or no you aren't, yes he she or no he isn't. Ya, next slide. Selanjutnya akan dibacakan oleh rekan saya Muhammad Isa Gifari. Kepadanya saya persilahkan. Isa Gifari.
Ya, baik. Be is an ordinary verb. 1. Be is the verb normally used to denote the existence of or to give information about a person or thing. Vino is driver, Raja Ampat is an island, the dog is in the garage, his name is Fadli. 2. Be is used to express physical or mental condition. I'm hot, we are happy, he is calm, Ronnie is strong. 3. Be is used for age. How old are you? I'm 20 or I am 20 years old. How old is school? It is 50 years old. Is old must be used when giving the age of thing. 4. Be is used to express size and weight. How much do you weigh? Or what is your weight? I am 45 kilos or I weigh 45 kilos. How tall are you? Or what is your weight? I am 175 cm. 5. B is used for price. How much is this banana? It's $4.
Jadi the as an ordinary verb ini menjelaskan kalau misalnya yang pertama itu dia buat informasi untuk ke person itu ke seseorang or thing atau sesuatu. Kayak Vino is driver Vino itu seorang pengemudi. Raja Ampat is an Iceland. Raja Ampat itu sebuah pulau. Yang kedua itu be is used to express itu menjelaskan tentang ekspresi kayak I'm hot, sekarang saya panas, we are happy, kami senang. Yang ketiga itu menjelaskan umur. Kayak apa sih, how old are you itu kayak berapa umurmu, atau how old is school, kayak berapa umur sekolah itu. Yang keempat itu menjelaskan size and weight, itu menjelaskan berat badan, kalau nggak tinggi badan, kayak how much do you weigh, how tall are you. Dan yang terakhir itu menjelaskan tentang harga, kayak how much is this banana. Ya, next slide.
Exercise 3. 1. The president is in Jakarta. 2. Linda is a physics department student. 3. This book is 50,000 rupiah. 4. You are in the classroom now. 5. It's difficult to read a newspaper upside down. 6. I am 17 years old now and I'm able to have a driving. 7. He is here every day, but he is not here at the moment. 8. They are not happy to see the result of the examination. 9. I am at my office from 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. 10. Am I right or wrong? 11. Is she in the kitchen or in the bedroom? 12. Who is in the bedroom? 13. It's not good to be late. 14. They are not in the class yet. They are late. 15. I am not happy with my last test. 16. The test is difficult. Exercise 4. Write the question. 1. Where are you from? I'm from Germany. 2. What's your name? My name is Johan. 3. Who are they? They're my friends. 4. Where is she from? She's from Italy. 5. What's her name? Her name is Alberta. 6. Who is that? He's John. 7. How old are he? John is 21 years old. 8. Where are they from? They're from Spain. 9. What is your hobby? My hobby is singing. 10. How much is it? They're $21. Possessive adjective and pronouns. Subject pronouns yaitu I, you, we, they, she, he, it. Kalau possessive adjective, my, you, our, their, her, his, its. Possessive pronouns, mine, yours, ours, theirs, hers, his, its. A possessive pronouns is used instead of noun. Olivia's car is white. Mine is black. A possessive adjective is usually used to describe a noun, and it comes before, and it comes before it, like other adjective. My car is more expensive than her car. Exercise 5. Replace the bold words with word with the correct pronoun. I, you, we, they, she, he, it. 1. My auntie lives in Canada. She is a Canadian. 2. Mr. Smith is studying history. He is a historian. 3. You and I have to talk about the vacation. We're planning to go abroad. 4. My passport is in my bag. It is new. 5. Susan and John had an argument. They didn't have an agreement. 6. Fasya and his friend are going to take summer program. They are really happy. 7. Rapli, Al, and Aira will go to Yogyakarta next week. They are having a holiday. 8. Lisa and I are the same age. We are also the same age. Exercise 6. Complete the conversation with the correct possessive adjective or possessive pronouns. 1. Mother. Elma, where are you? Your friends are here. Elma, I'm up in my room, Mom. 2. Father. Let's go, kids. Our flight is at 10. Ito, Elvis not ready, Dad. She's still in her room. 3. Doctor's office. Doctor, your office. May I help you? Mr. Rahman, yes, my son's sick. His temperature is 40 degree. Doctor office, yes, you need to speak to Dr. Allen. 4. Maman, is there a party at your own house? Ellen, yes, it's my 20th wedding anniversary. Choose the right answer, possessive adjective or possessive pronoun. 1. We need to go to airport. Our flight will be at 3 p.m. 2. Jen has broken her leg. 3. We gave them telephone number and they gave us theirs. 4. I lost my pen. May I borrow your pen? 5. Will this be my chair? Yes, this will be yours. 6. You can have any candy. It's all mine. 7. Sue has a new bike. Her bike is more expensive than mine. 8. Lisa has already eaten her lunch, but we're saving ours until later.
Okay, guys, thank you for your attention, our presentation. Is there any question? If nothing, any question, we next to second group. Apakah ada pertanyaan, teman-teman? Kalau tidak ada, kami lanjutkan ke grup selanjutnya untuk mempresentasikan daily routine. Stop ya.